What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best boom and crash trader in the country, and today we're going to be looking on how to trade boom and crash on a higher time frame, like the 15-minute time frame going upwards, so that you are able to catch more pips from the market and you grow your account a little bit more. So today we're going to be looking at this powerful boom and crash strategy that is going to allow you to trade boom and crash and sort of like swing trade it so that you can get a lot of these pips. Now, before we continue, I need you guys to take note of the fact that if you are trading boom and crash in the 15-minute time frame, you are not really scalping like we say it in the currencies market. No, you're not really scalping. Why? Because most trends actually show in the 15-minute time frame, because there's actually a bigger movement than in the forex market. Remember, volatility indices move really fast, and that's why they're actually called volatility indices. They are really volatile, and boom and crash is also part of those volatility indices. So that's the difference they have from the currencies market. When we are in the 15-minute time frame, we can't really say we are scalping. We are usually scalping on volatility indices like boom and crash in our 1-minute time frame. So the moment you see us in a 15-minute time frame, we're usually there to catch some big trends in the market, some big moves in the market. So you really need to have that at the back of your mind. Now we have got a couple of indicators that you see on my screen that we need to install that are going to help us identify the trend. They're also going to help us identify entry points and also exit points. So we really need these indicators installed to our charts, and we're going to have a step-by-step process of actually installing these indicators so that we'll be able to find the trend, the entry points, and the exit points. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll quickly remove all the indicators that I have on my screen, and we'll start installing them together, because I understand there might be people that are new and you might not exactly know how to install these indicators to your charts, and you might need that help. So I'm here to provide that, and let's get right into this. Okay, so what I'll do first is I'll remove all the indicators that I have. Okay, as you can see, I'm left with a blank chart. I'm actually in a trade right now. It's on crash 1000 and we are in a buy trade. If you are in my VIP signals group, you should be able to know about this trade, and it's been buying since yesterday. As you can see with these period separators, this was yesterday and this is today. So we've been buying since yesterday. We've got two positions, as you can see right here, and we bought crash 1000. Now I'm also going to explain how we got to that stage, but for now let's install the indicators. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is called a moving average. Now this moving average will have the following properties. We have a period of 300, a shift of 0. The method is linear weighted, applied to weighted close. Okay, now the levels don't matter, and on visualization you can allow all time frames. Okay, just like for all the indicators that we're going to install today. Okay, and then on the styling, please take note of the styling, because I will be referring back to these colors during the video. So for you not to get confused, make sure that you follow the same style that I'm using. So for this one, I chose this orange color. Okay, so we're going to click done now, and as you can see, we now have that orange moving average on our charts. Next, we're going to install another moving average. So I went back to my indicator section, chose moving average again. What is going to be different now is the period. We're going to change the period to 100. Okay, 100, and the shift will remain as 0. The method will remain as linear weighted, and then apply to will change to previous indicator data. Okay, and on the styling again, we'll change it to the color black so that they can have different colors that we can use to identify them. Okay, so I'll click done, and as you can see, that black line has been added onto our charts. Moving on, going back to my indicator section, we need to install our indicator window 1, which is also going to help us identify exit points and entry points as confirmations. Okay, so I'm going to click on main window and we're going to add the stochastic oscillator, which is right here, and the properties will be as follows. We're going to have a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low / high. The method is simple. Now on the levels, these are very important. We need these two levels, level 20 and level 80. I'll explain more about these levels as we proceed, as we start choosing the strategy. So don't worry about it for now. Then click done. Now what I want you guys to take note of and pay attention to is the styling for this stochastic oscillator. We don't want any of the lines to come out, so make sure that your main and your signal have the same color as your background color. So I've got a white background, that's why you see my main is in white and also my signal is in white. Okay, such that if I click on done, you will see down here that we only have the levels and nothing else is inside. Level 80 here marked by the dotted lines there, and the level 20 here marked by also the dotted lines here, and there's nothing else you can see inside, which is exactly what we want it to be like. Okay, with that said, let's move on to the next set of indicators. Going back to my indicators section, I'm going to install these indicators now under indicator window 1. So this time we're going to click on indicator window 1, and we're going to be adding the moving averages that are on our main chart. So basically we're going to repeat the process of adding the moving averages. So I'm going to go to moving average. I'm going to change this to let me just change this to weighted close, and I will keep the color as black. Remember, this is our second indicator, right? And then click done. As you can see, that black line appears. Then go back again, click on indicator window 1, moving average. This time we'll change it to what? To 300. Okay, everything else remains the same except the color. I'll change it to the orange that you know, and then done, and then click on done. Now as you can see, we now have the two moving averages down here. A lot of you have already noticed the difference. If you haven't, I don't know, you can ask in the comment section. People will definitely answer you. Okay, so now we've successfully installed our indicator, and of course what is left is understanding how everything works. When do you buy and when do you sell? But before I jump into that, on the previous video I asked you guys to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I said I'm going to be picking a winner that I'm going to add to our VIP signals group for 1 month for free, and that person is going to receive daily signals of trades that I'm entering into for boom and crash, and those are winning signals. So that person is it's called All Action 3259. The person commented this amazing strategy I ever seen. Okay, so I'll put the screenshot of that comment, and that person can contact me so that I can add them to the VIP signals group. Congratulations, you've won yourself a seat in our VIP signals group for free. If you want to win next time on the next video, just like the video, make sure you're a subscriber, and comment down below. I'll be picking out comments like this, and if your comment has more likes, then you usually win, because this one has got the highest likes in this comment section. So make sure you comment down below something sensible, something that is going to benefit people. Maybe it might be a hint or something that is unique, okay? Because I know a lot of you are going to comment, so make sure that you make your comment stand out. So All Action 3259, please, you can send me a message either on my WhatsApp or anywhere you can contact me. I'll leave the link to my WhatsApp number in the description box below. Basically, it will be in our Telegram channel. It's completely free to join. Again, just click the link and you'll be able to join our free Telegram channel. There are over 7,000 traders in there, and basically I post most of my trading materials in there. You'll be able to find my WhatsApp number as well, and also as see my daily trading results. Yes, my daily trading results will be available in that Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, and you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number. Okay, with that said, let's get back to business. Let's get back to why we started this video. How are you going to trade with this strategy? Now, we've already mentioned the time frame that we're going to be using. We said the 15-minute time frame. Now, how we are in the 15-minute time frame, how do you enter trades? When do you enter trades now, right? So to do that, we're going to be following the black and orange line. Those are going to be our saviors, and I want to start by explaining this buy trade that I'm in on Crash 1000. Actually, I was late on that trade, and let me show you why. Okay, for you to enter into a buy trade, doesn't matter you're on boom, doesn't matter if you're on crash, this has to happen first. You want to see your orange and black line crossing to be below this 20 level like that, and then crossing each other, exchanging positions like this. You see the orange line going under the black line, right? Once you see something like this, while it's under your level 20, just know that we're about to have a change in market direction, right? And if you come on your charts right here, you can see that while it's when the lines were exchanging positions, we're coming from this downtrend going up again while this transition was happening. Now, you don't enter right away. You wait for price to interact with these two lines, the orange one and the black line, right? They have to interact. They have to interact because they might tell you, you might not even enter a trade here if they don't cross to be above all these lines, right? If they don't cross, don't enter. If they cross, you don't enter right away. You wait again for the lines to exchange positions on your main chart this time, not on your indicator window like here. No, on your main chart this time. So this time you can see that the orange now is now above. So it's sort of like a divergence here. The orange is going below, and on your main chart, the orange is going above. So once you see the orange going above, it is a confirmed buy entry. Okay, and as you can see, let me just show you guys, it went all the way up. We actually caught it up here, and we were really late on that, but we used some of our strategies and tactics to identify this trend early, and I also tell you why I ended late, and this is simply because remember we said the strategy to be able to tell you your exit points and your entry points. Our strategy had not yet reached the exit points, and the exit points would be when you see the orange and the black line reaching your 80 level right here. So there was still space when we entered. We were somewhere around here. Okay, so we knew that we were going to go all the way up to the 80 level, so that's why we entered that trade, even though we were late. But we were supposed to enter this trade down here. Can you see how big this movement is? And you're catching this trade in your 15-minute time frame. In currencies, usually you catch a big trade like this, trading the 4-hour time frame probably, or the 1-hour time frame. That's the least. You can't catch a big move like this from the 15-minute time frame. This is a move that's been going on for close to 7 days now. Can you see the period separators? This is 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6. We're in day 6 now, and we caught that trade in the 15-minute time frame. So you see the difference now. If you guys enjoy content like this more, please like this video, subscribe, show some love, and make sure that I see your likes, I see your comments, and we'll keep having this. This is going to help you grow even more. I'm willing to do more videos each and every single day, and more analysis. Comment down below what you would want to see more again on this video. Maybe you might be a winner for our VIP Signals group. Who knows? Okay, so something happens even if you want to sell. You're looking for the things I mentioned: change of positions, change of structures. First of all, you see the black and orange line meeting in your 80 level already in your mind, you know that we're about to probably sell, right? Then you see them again exchanging positions. The orange line this time is going above the black line, which means the momentum has been confirmed. But you don't enter, you wait for price to interact with your orange and black line like that. And you see the price is crossed to be below all the lines. You don't enter again, you wait for an exchange of the orange line going to below the black line. The divergence has been created. Remember, if you look closely, these two have got different positions. Your orange line on your main chart is below the black line, and your orange line on your indicator window 1 is above the black line. That divergence is very important, guys. Do not ignore it, okay? And as you can see, the market sold for days, actually close to 2-3 days, right? And you still be profitable. Now you can do this on any boom and crash index, and we can try it out on all the other indices. I don't want to open my crash 500 right now because I have a trade for my VIP signals group that I cannot show right here, but the same concept still applies even if you go here. I don't want to make this video too long, it's already long, but I'm sure you guys understand the concept. Now try and avoid markets where the little lines are horizontal like this, right? See, this is simply a what do you call this? This is consolidation, right? The market is not really giving you any moves, just bouncing within a specific range of price, and this is not good. So once you see a line sort of like forming a horizontal line, can you see I can even place this line and that will be in the same line. This is not good for the market. This is not the right time for you to enter. Just leave it, wait for other opportunities. Remember, when you're catching these moves, these are big moves. You can hold for 2-3 days with this strategy. Trust me. Send me results on my Telegram, send me results on my WhatsApp number. You can see it right there on the screen. You can subscribe, you can like this video. The links to our Telegram channel will be in the description box below. Tell me more what you think in the comment section. Until next time.